Hi everyone, it is Jan here from Jan's Yard. Welcome back to my channel. I will be in a collaboration today with Dave from Dave's Acrylic-Creations. It's just a small collaboration between the two of us. Dave reached out to me and suggested that we had a small collaboration, and I said, sure, let's do it. And that's what we're having today. We agreed to use purple and green and one color of choice plus the base coat, and I've chosen gold as the extra color that I wanted to use, and my base coat is white. So my colors today is a white house paint, just a regular German house paint, and then I have here I have the Pebeo Studio iridescent green yellow, and here I have a Søstrene Grene, a Danish cheap paint company, the Mitis green, or Mitis, I don't know how you pronounce it, green. And then this one is a German brand, Solo Goya, and that is Dunkelgrün, dark green. And then we have a Amsterdam ultramarine violet, and we have an Amsterdam permanent blue violet. We have the Deco Art Metallics 24 karat gold, and this one is a TLP Violet Rain. I don't have the jar for that. I got a little sample from Billy when they released it. When we were in Texas, there was a release date and they released the Violet Rain, and since I'm a huge Prince fan and Billy saw my Prince t-shirt, she gave me a bag, and that's the first time that I'm actually trying that out. I'm also gonna swipe with black cell activator and gold cell activator. Both of them are mixed with Australian Floetrol, approximately 3:1, so 3 parts Australian Floetrol, 1 part paint. Before I start, maybe I should say, as I said, this is a collaboration with Dave from Dave Acrylic-Creations, and at the time that I'm doing this, we still haven't agreed who's going first. So either you will be watching me first, and then please go over to Dave's channel afterwards and check out his piece. If you came from Dave, thank you for coming, and then let's get to it.
Committed
So here's the flyover of the wet result. There's some really cool lacing in here. I like the mix of the paints. This is a very Mardi Gras painting for me. But yeah, and I wanted to leave some negative space. As you probably saw in the video, there was also some negative space over here, but to me it looked out of place. It just looked wrong, but some really cool details. I don't see so much with gold lines from the cell activator around the cells, but the black definitely. But I like the mix. It's gonna be interesting to see how this dries. There it is.